For decades, we've heard the promises. Alternative energy will change the way we live, lower our energy bills, and save the world. Decades later, the race is still on.
So these machines generate kilowatt hours at cost which is either equal or maybe even a little bit less than the cost of traditional way of doing energy.
The economics of energy are critical. When it becomes cost-effective, it'll become widespread. But always a step ahead, today the best and brightest are more invested in alternative energy than ever before.
I think we're going to look back in 10 years and call it the golden age.
Vinod Khosla, the money man behind Amazon, Google, and Sun Micro, is making alternative energy his next project. Israel is turning its attention from tech to green tech, with battery-operated cars, algae-based fuels, urban wind farms, and solar power. The small, impoverished nation of Bolivia is sitting on a gold mine of green energy underneath their massive salt flats. If the government allows foreign investment, Bolivia could go from being South America's poorest nation to its wealthiest in just a few years. To be sure, there are also naysayers.
Fossil fuel will be the dominant energy for the foreseeable future.
And early but unhappy adapters in the U.S.
It hasn't produced what I was promised.
But American-based solar and wind companies are learning from mistakes, expanding into the future quickly. New solar towns are popping out west, in California, in Arizona, and in China as well.
If we weren't green or solar, I think we would be at a lower sales point.
Tonight, don't miss Beyond the Barrel, the race to fuel the future. 8 p.m. Eastern and again 9 p.m. Pacific on CNBC.